Hi guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to delete Outlier AI account. So if you no longer want to use Outlier AI, you can permanently delete your account in just a few steps. So first is you just have to log in or sign in to your Outlier account. So you just tap on the login option at the top right corner of your screen. So yeah, currently I don't have an account yet since the Outlier AI is not available in the Philippines. But yeah, just have to follow along, okay? So once you're here, just have to tap on your profile icon so you'd be able to see that. And then you just have to select your profile or account settings, just like any other platforms. So depending on the version of the platform you are using. And then you just have to go to the account security section and then just scroll down until you see the delete account option. So just have to click it to begin the account deletion process. And then of course the outlier will ask you to confirm your decision because deleting your account is permanent. And once you confirm, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will typically receive an email confirming that your request has been received. And after the deletion is completed, you will receive another confirmation email. So before you delete your account, make sure that you receive any pending payments for completed work, download or save any information you may need as you may lose access after deletion. And deleting your account is generally irreversible, and many users report that creating a new account afterwards is not allowed because Outlier retains certain information to prevent duplicate account. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.